5S is a workplace organization method that originated in Japan and focuses on creating an efficient and organized work environment. Derived from five Japanese terms: sheri, short; shaitan, set in order; seisho, shine; segetsu, standardize; and shitsuke, sustain. It aims to improve productivity, safety, and overall efficiency by eliminating waste, optimizing workflow, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Sheri, short, to remove unnecessary items, to declutter, and sort through the workplace for necessary items. Shaitan, set in order, arrange necessary items in an organized way and easily accessible manner. Define specific location for tools, equipment, and supplies and use labeling, for example, color coding. Seashore, shine, regularly clean and maintain the workplace to keep it tidy and free from dirt, debris, and hazards. Encourage employees to take responsibility of their work area's cleanliness. Identify and address potential safety issues, equipment malfunctions, or maintenance needs promptly. Seketsu, standardize, establish standardized procedures and guidelines for maintaining the fire's practices. Train employees and regularly review and improve the established standards to adapt to change. Shitsuke, sustain to foster a culture of continuous improvement and discipline among employees. Encourage active participation and ownership of 5S practices. Conduct audits, provide feedback, and recognize employees for their contribution from sustaining 5S methodology. How to efficiently 5S? Maintain the consistency of design, measure using a ruler, or do color coding for different purposes. For example, for hazards, label with yellow. For regularly used objects, label with blue. And for dangerous places, label and highly toxic environment, label with red. Decide compartment dimensions gently. Stick using labels. Use label stickers to label the surface instead of write on it. Use glove, arm sleeve, and face mask or goggles and lab coat to keep oneself safe. Or we can label this area accordingly. Documentation by us. We can start with speaking to the supervisor, label the document area, identify the types of projects, for example, the year underscore project underscore test. Identify the types of documentation. Either it is for method transfer, for IOPQ, for analytical method validation, for in-process testing, for investigation reports, readily assignable costs, or we can have a look at the examples below. For example, the year 2020 underscore project number ADS01 and the type of documents being used HPLC underscore PQ. HPLC area can be defined as follows. First, we speaking with the supervisor, label the HPLC area, identify HPLC equipment area and workbenches activities. For example, the equipment area can contain this of the following tools: furrows, spanners, tubings, divider, HPLC manufacturer kit, HPLC mobile face bottle and lid. Now for workbenches, we can have amber and clear vial inserts, amber or clear insert vial, violet, 0.22 micron filter syringe, 10 kilo Dalton filter, 2 mils centrifuge tube, vial holder, gloves of assorted size, sharp beans, tissue, vortex, centrifuge, parafilm, pipette tips, and the different sizes of pipette tips and pipette of different volume. And we can label and place them accordingly. For example, this is a cabinet and we have some space and we can provide, provide different types of um, Materials, we can dimension. Using different dimensions, we label the place and we label accordingly with the types of equipment being used, and we can store the items accordingly into each of the compartments so that everything will be really organized and easy to be found when we are going to run another project.